Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty. Super Scarab is a multicolor sensory putty designed for both kids and adults, packaged in a convenient 4-inch tin. This product has gained significant popularity, ranking high in slime and putty toys, and is praised for its unique color-shifting tones that include metallic blue, purple, copper, and red hues. The colors change based on the angle of light, creating a visually engaging experience that adds to the tactile enjoyment. The putty is made in the USA from non-toxic silicone and is formulated to never dry out, making it a durable and long-lasting toy for creative play and stress relief. Users appreciate the putty's texture, describing it as soft, pliable, and slightly grainy but not slimy, which makes it enjoyable to stretch, bounce, pop, tear, and sculpt. This versatility in use supports various needs, from simple fidgeting to sensory therapy and hand strength exercises. Many customers note that it is excellent for people with sensory issues or ADHD, as it helps ease anxiety and racing thoughts through its satisfying tactile feedback and snapping sounds when twisted. The putty's resistance to sticking to surfaces other than itself is another highlight, making it easy to clean up and maintain. The Super Scarab Putty is also noted for its glow-in-the-dark feature, which can be charged with sunlight or UV lamp, adding an extra layer of fun and sensory stimulation. This makes it particularly appealing for children who enjoy visually stimulating toys and for anyone who appreciates unique sensory experiences. The putty's size, about 3.2 ounces, is considered generous, providing good value for the price. Despite its many positives, the packaging has been a consistent point of criticism. Many users report difficulty opening the metal tin for the first time, with some lids sealed so tightly or glued that they require tools like pliers or a spudger to open. This issue affects the convenience of use and storage, as the putty can leak and dry around the edges of the tin if not stored flat and carefully. This has led some users to seek alternative storage solutions, which is a notable downside given the product's premium price. Performance-wise, the putty holds up well over time. It retains its softness and stretchiness even after being left outside the container for periods, and it does not dry out as promised. This durability makes it suitable for frequent use by children and adults alike. The putty also helps with dexterity and hand strength, which is why some buyers have purchased it on medical advice for rehabilitation purposes. The color and visual appeal of the Super Scarab Putty are frequently praised. The shifting metallic hues resemble labradorite, a gemstone known for its iridescence, which adds a sophisticated aesthetic dimension to a simple toy. This makes it attractive not only as a sensory tool, but also as a collectible or gift item. In summary, Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty Super Scarab offers a high-quality sensory experience with its unique color-shifting properties, soft and durable texture, and non-toxic, never-drying formula. It is highly recommended for individuals seeking stress relief, sensory stimulation, or a fun, creative outlet. The main drawback lies in the packaging, which can be difficult to open and less than ideal for on-the-go storage. Despite this, the putty itself delivers excellent performance and value. If you have this item, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and for easy access to purchase.